Welcome to FunrideToys
Himalayan EV assembly video.
Main body, rear wheels, front wheel, handle, front mudguard, backrest, indicators, side mirrors, fork cover, hardware nut cap, rear axle, handle pin, front axle, axle cap, charger. Insert the rear axle as shown. Attach the rear wheels to the axle. Secure the wheels with nuts on both sides. Connect the wires of the handle and main body. Insert the handle and align it with. Insert the handle pin. Tighten the handle using nut and washer. Insert the front mudguard into the fork. Align the holes and secure with screws. Fork cover and front axle, insert the front axle through. Align and attach the front wheel. Secure with nuts on both sides. Secure both fork covers with screws.
Secure wheel with nut from both sides.
Fix the front axle nut with nut cap. Insert the backrest into the body. Tighten the backrest with a screw. Insert rear indicators into the rear slot. Insert front indicators into the front. Attach side mirrors to the handle. Open the seat by unscrewing. Connect the battery wires as per instruction. Secure the seat with screw. On, off button, MP3 player, /backward button. Simple direction control. Connect the charging point. Accelerator pedal. Your Himalayan EV is now fully assembled and ready to ride.